ahead.
My name is Hello.
Mhm.
I'm back.
Okay.
We are giving you a tour of the room at 10 something.
No, it's Grand Floridian
At
at the Grand Floridian Villas. Let's start. Let's see what they're doing out here.
there.
Here we go. Here, say. There's the
Whoa, what's that fountain?
Oh, look at the fountain. I've never,
fountain.
I don't know if I've ever seen that.
A step fountain. All right, Tillman, show me the room.
And so, and this is a bed couch
All right, hold on. No. Okay, but listen.
right here. And these are new doors.
Hold on.
New door.
Look here,
Oh, which one's for that?
Sadie.
This is
Sadie.
who's for that?
No, don't do that. Don't do that yet. I was just showing you.
Mine.
That goes down.
Yeah, I know. I'm doing it one-handed,
What?
and
That's
your children are
mine.
pulling on it. There you go.
How come I
Okay.
Hey, there's new
Okay.
door.
All right, I'm gonna go show then, because we've got the little kitchenette area.
Yes, I'd like, and there's a fridge.
Okay. Right.
Here's the bathroom.
All right, turn the light on, please. Okay. So, then you got this one. We've got a shower over here. There's the mommy. We got a shower and then another shower and potty over here. What do you think, Tillman?
Cool.
And then, like I said, we got nice, some robes, closet. So, what are you doing there, Tillman?
Look.
Oh, got some drawers. Oh,
Look at
it flips out. Isn't that fancy? What day is today?
My birthday.
Your birthday.
What's in here?
It's just a closet.
Oh.
And then, I don't know. And then there's our bed. Tillman's gonna be there. Nice little table. There's Sadie.
And this is my bed.
That's gonna be your bed. Okay. Oh, no, not yet. Close it up. We gotta get everything put away. All right. And
What's
say,
here?
see you tomorrow morning. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.